In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert long date in Excel. If you've ever wanted your dates to show the full weekday and month, like Monday, April 24th, 2026, instead of a short number format, this is exactly what you need. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along confidently and get a clean, professional look in your worksheet. Start by selecting the cell that already contains a date. Click once so the cell is active and you can see the value in the formula bar. It's important that the content is a real date recognized by Excel, not plain text. A quick clue is that real dates align to the right by default, and when you change formats, the appearance updates while the underlying value stays the same. If yours behaves that way, you're good to go. With the cell selected, head to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the number group, you'll see options for formatting, including a button labeled Long Date. Click that. Instantly, Excel will reformat the selected cell to display the full date with the weekday and the month spelled out. This format follows your computer's regional settings, so the exact wording may vary slightly based on your locale, but the idea is the same. You get a clear, readable date that's great for reports, dashboards, and anything you plan to print or present. After switching to long date, you might notice the text doesn't fully fit in the cell. That's normal because long dates take up more space. If you see a row of number signs or the text is cut off, simply adjust the cell so everything is visible. You can widen the column by dragging the right edge of the column header until the full date appears. For a quick, clean fit, double-click that boundary to auto-fit the width to the longest entry in that column. If you prefer to keep the column narrow, you can turn on Wrap Text from the Home tab so the date flows onto a second line. Just make sure the row height expands enough so the entire date is readable. Aligning the text to the left or center can also help with readability, depending on your layout. And that's it. Click the date you want to format, apply Long Date from the Home tab, and adjust the cell so it displays cleanly. This small change makes your sheet easier to scan and gives your data a polished, professional finish. Thanks for watching, and happy formatting in Excel.